and I stumbled across this page that wanted me to enter my email address, and if I did, they'd send me some J. Abraham reports, and I did that. And then when I got the reports, they said, "Hey, by the way, you can actually give these reports away, and you can make money if people buy the products that we sell."
Mm-hmm.
And I thought, "Well, that's pretty interesting." That was um, affiliate marketing, as I later found out. And I joined this marketplace called ClickBank and got my affiliate link. And then I noticed with my internet service provider, you
Mm-hmm.
could have a web page. So I sort of rolled out my 10 feet cord, plugged it into the phone line and dialed in, and I set
Mm-hmm.
up my page. And of course, I didn't make any sales at all. I had no idea what I was doing. And then the sort of hunt was on. I really need my own website to put on my own domain. And
Yeah.
I struggled for, it was about 9 months of
Mm-hmm.
using my laptop every day after work and trying to figure out how to build a website. And eventually, after a lot of hardship trying to figure it out, I found some software that made it a bit easier. And I set up a demo site with the software to teach myself how it all works. I think the old Lego constructor in me came out, and
Yeah.
I put my affiliate links on it because I realized, I knew what affiliate marketing was from the last time around. And almost by accident, I kind of made a sale, and it was $49.25 commission. It was
Yeah.
like, wow.
Get a happy dancer.
Yeah, this could
Yeah.
actually work. And
Yeah.
and I just set about then driving traffic, improving my conversions, and
Mm-hmm.
making more and more sales, and sort of ramped that up. Eventually, I was getting $150, and then $300, and $500, and
Mm-hmm.
um, then I created a bonus for people who bought the software from me if they bought it
Mm-hmm.
through my link. And one day, someone in a forum had asked a question about how to use the software, and someone said, "Hey, look, I've got this cheat sheet that I got from James Schramko
Mm-hmm.
from buying through him. You should get it. It's great." And so they emailed me and they said, "Hey, would you sell me the cheat sheet?" And I said, "Okay, well, if you PayPal me $40, I'll send it over."
Mm-hmm.
They sent me $40, so I made a sale directly. They went into the forum and said, "Hey, he'll sell it to you for $40. The next day, I had like 20 people trying to buy this thing.
Wow. Wow.
And I'm like, hang on a minute. Maybe the market of people who already has the software is bigger than the market who are going to buy the software.
Mm.
So I put up a domain for the cheat sheet,
Yeah.
and I listed it as back then there was the Warrior Forum, and there was a special offer feature,
Mm.
and I put it on there for $40. And I
Mm.
happened to be moving house at the time. And that week, when I moved house, I was selling $1,000 a day worth of this
Wow.
ebook.
Yeah.
And I'm like, like if I could actually do this
Yeah.
full time, if I could make $1,000 a day, I could quit my job. And that was really the first moment I thought maybe this is possible. And I was reading the 4-Hour Work Week, and I
Yeah.
was working hard on developing new affiliate offers that had more recurring components,
Yeah.
and got myself over to America, attended a conference, won a prize, and started networking with some much more advanced marketers. They were all making over $1 million a year.
Yeah.
And I've stumbled over CPA marketing and high-level affiliate offers.
Mm-hmm.
And then I went back home and I realized, well, I'd built a couple of websites for some businesses, and I thought maybe I could do their online marketing for them. And I pitched one company that, and they said, "Yeah, when can you start?" And I'm like, "Oh." And then I found another referral and
Mm-hmm.
pitched another one. And so now I had 2 clients who wanted online marketing as a service.
Yeah.
So that plus what I was making for my affiliate income plus the ebook actually matched my income. So I quit my job and went full time into it. And that was about 11 years ago now.
Hey, it's Robert here. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you've really enjoyed it. If you've enjoyed this, then please subscribe to this channel and come back and see many more doing these things all the time And if you want to know when the next one comes up, click the little bell and you'll get a notification each and every time we've got a new video up there for you to have a look at. And the other thing is, I nearly forgot. If you love everything to do with personal development, business development, and just getting yourself into a peak state, then you're going to want to get over to my free webinar training, which is going to show you exactly the steps to take to overcome any inner barriers that are stopping you from achieving in life and business right now, and exactly what to do to get that put right and start living the life of your dreams, starting right now. Sounds like a tall order? Promise you, you can do this stuff. Get across to my webinar training. The link is in the description below this video. I hope to see you there. And at the very least, I hope that you click the bell. I hope you subscribe to the channel. And I hope to see you back here again soon. Take good care. Bye-bye.